Are you tired of paying a high cable bill every month? You're not alone. Many people are looking for ways to save money on their cable bill without sacrificing their favorite shows and channels. In this video, we'll show you some simple tips and tricks to help you save money on your cable bill. First, let's take a look at your cable bill and see where you can make some changes. Your cable bill is made up of several charges, including the cost of your package, equipment rental fees, and taxes and fees. By understanding these charges, you can find ways to reduce your bill and save money. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. The first step to saving money on your cable bill is to evaluate your package. Write down the channels you watch regularly and the ones you can do without. This will help you determine if you're paying for channels you don't need. Call your cable provider and ask about package options that fit your needs. You may be able to switch to a lower price package that still includes the channels you want. Be sure to compare the cost of the new package to your current one to make sure you're actually saving money. By evaluating your package, you can potentially save a significant amount of money on your cable bill. Another way to save money on your cable bill is to negotiate with your cable provider. Look at your bill and see if there are any charges that you don't understand or don't agree with. Call your cable provider and ask about any charges that you don't understand or don't agree with. You may be able to negotiate a lower rate or have some charges removed from your bill. Be polite but firm when negotiating with your cable provider. By negotiating your bill, you can potentially save a significant amount of money on your cable bill. And remember, it never hurts to ask. Another way to save money on your cable bill is to consider using streaming services. There are many streaming services available that offer a variety of shows and movies at a lower cost than cable. Look for streaming services that offer the channels and shows you want to watch. You may be able to replace some of your cable channels with streaming services and still save money. Be sure to compare the cost of the streaming services to your current cable bill to make sure you're actually saving money. By considering streaming services, you can potentially save a significant amount of money on your cable bill. The final way to save money on your cable bill is to review your equipment. Look at the equipment you're renting from your cable provider. Call your cable provider and ask about the cost of renting the equipment. You may be able to save money by purchasing your own equipment instead of renting it. Be sure to check with your cable provider to make sure the equipment you purchase is compatible with the service. By reviewing your equipment, you can potentially save a significant amount of money on your cable bill. With these tips and tricks, you can save money on your cable bill without sacrificing your favorite shows and channels. Thanks for watching.